Everyone, this is Craig here, just showing you how to clean your ceiling for your insulated patio. Now, I've had a lot of patios where there's water stains and dirt, grime, mothballs, all that kind of stuff. You can see up here, just dirt. Just really hard to get off. Now, I've got some metho. I just wanted to show you that these couple of ways just don't seem to work really. And I'll just show you. I'll just jump up here, and there's a couple of grime marks. It's pretty hard to see, but you know, you can wipe it. Wipe and wipe and wipe. That's metho. It's not really coming off. It's just dirt. Just wear and tear really. Metho. No good. There's one other attempt that I've tried is terps. Doesn't really work either. So actually it's my mother-in-law that got me onto this product. And it's this stuff here. Co. She loves her cleaning, and it works a treat. So I might get you have a look at this. It's got to get you a microfiber rag. And it's literally come over this spot here. You can see dirt there. Moss circles. So it's literally just spraying on. A couple of circles there. Mothballs. And it's literally 5 seconds. Let it soak in. Get your microfiber cloth. And it's as easy as that. Easy as that. Oh, it's all just coming off. Just straight off. Don't even need to rub hard either. Dirt here. And that is easily the best stuff I've found to clean your insulated patio ceilings. So here it is there, look at that. So make sure you go online. I think it's $30 for about 4 litres. And that's easily the best product to use on your ceiling. So enjoy.